Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. It is Monday morning. I was not supposed to work today, but now I'm going. Why do I look so pale? I think this is, hold on. Okay, is that a little bit better? I was not supposed to go to work today, so that's why I was filming like my little morning, and I was just gonna like hang out and edit videos and stuff like that. But now I am going to work. I don't know how long I'm gonna be there. It was like we were waiting to hear back about something, and then we heard back, and then she was like, hey, could you come in today? And I was like, I'm working out, but yeah. So I finished my workout, showered, just got ready, gonna go get a coffee and head to work. So I will pick up this vlog when I get home. Like, hi guys, I forgot I was vlogging today. I just got some plantain chips. I'm not really hungry. I just like really love plantain chips right now. I've been home for like, what is my hair doing? I just washed my face. You know how like these hairs get wet and then they decide they're just gonna like do whatever they want? That's what they're doing. So I've been home for a little, probably like an hour, and just been like throwing some laundry in, cleaning up a little bit. Now I'm gonna post podcast for this week. Whoo, that laptop is cold. I have like PJ shorts on. I'm gonna grab this blanket. Yeah, so I'm just doing some laundry. I'm gonna post this podcast. I'll probably just hang out for a little bit before I make dinner. We're having fried rice tonight, which is literally just like frozen fried rice. It's nothing special. Okay, oh wait, I thought this laptop was gonna say it's dead again, and I was gonna be like, can this not be dead all the time? What was I saying? Oh yeah, we're just having like freezer fried rice. It's really good. I could have like made it, but I just was really craving the kind that you get in the freezer. The Trader Joe's frozen veggie fried rice is the best, but we didn't go to Trader Joe's. We just went to the regular grocery store. So yeah, I will show you that when I make it later. Right now I'm gonna post the podcast like I said and hang out. I am out of vlog practice, I guess. I don't know, but I just made dinner. Super easy, just some fried rice. I added 2 eggs. I did both boxes because I didn't know how much we needed. I can never remember, but I put 2 eggs in there, 1 egg in there, and yeah, it just all wouldn't fit in one pan. That's why I did 2. But dinner's ready. It is 6:17. Dylan is on his way home from work right now. Oh, it's gonna get bowls. Yeah, we're just gonna have some dinner and hang out. So maybe I will continue this vlog into another day. I just feel like I started it with the intentions of vlogging all day and being home all day, and you know, that just didn't happen because I had to go to work. So I don't know what I'll do with this footage. Maybe it'll be a super short vlog. Maybe I'll add in another day or something, but yeah, I'm just waiting for Dylan to get home so we can eat, and then we're gonna watch a show. We've been watching Desperate Housewives lately. But yeah, I have like so many plans coming up, I feel like, which is really like weird and different because obviously we haven't had plans and stuff. But I think we're gonna have a fire tomorrow night with Dylan's sister and Tom, and then my mom and I are gonna go to like this new rooftop bar because in our area restaurants opened up for outdoor seating today, so we made a reservation. We're gonna go next Monday because it's Memorial Day and I don't have to work. So we made plans. Let me put you down. We made plans to go there next Monday at like 12:15, and we're gonna get drinks and like try a bit of like, maybe we'll get like some appetizers or something to eat. We've never been, so we're trying it out, and it'll be like the first restaurant going back to like service. That's gonna be weird. And then this weekend, so that's next Monday. Backing up, this weekend Dylan's grandma's opening her pool, so we're gonna go over and help her do that. I mean, I'm just gonna go over there to go over. Dylan's the one that is gonna be in charge of the pool now, so he has to like learn how to do it. And then Sunday, I think Julie and I are gonna get bowls. All like social distance, like we're taking precautions, like everything's still very much like we're being cautious. But it's just like fun that you can start to do stuff now. I mean, the bowls and stuff we've been able to do because it's just takeout, but yeah, I'm excited. So if I don't add anything else, make sure to subscribe down below. Sorry this was a short vlog, but it just kind of got away from me and the day just didn't go to plan, which is okay. That happens. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye.